everyone, I'm Jackson from Batismo, and today I'm going to walk you through how to capture and share those legendary moments from your streams no matter where you're broadcasting. Whether you are live on Twitch, Trovo, DLive, YouTube, or Facebook Gaming, I'm going to show you how to streamline your clipping process and actually make it work for you. We all know that clips are the absolute best way to grow your channel because a quick laugh or a clutch moment is exactly what people want to see on TikTok or Discord. I've also been using a tool called Vizard lately that completely changes the game for creators who want to post consistently without burning out. Let's start with the giant in the room, Twitch, where you can clip on the fly using simple keyboard shortcuts like Alt+X on Windows or Command+X on a Mac. You can also just click that little movie director icon right on the video player, which opens up a trimming window so you can make sure your clip is perfectly timed. Once you hit publish, you can find your masterpiece by heading into your creator dashboard under the content tab, where every clip you've ever made lives. The problem with doing this manually is that you're stuck downloading, re-uploading, and manually posting to every single social network, which takes forever. Moving over to Trovo, the process feels incredibly familiar if you've ever used Twitch, with the same keyboard shortcuts and player button functionality available. You get a dedicated editor to trim your length and set your titles, but just like before, you're still limited by the platform's own walls. If you want to maintain a consistent growth strategy, you'll quickly find that managing links and downloads for every single platform becomes a massive headache. Then there's DLive, also known as the yellow ninja corner, which includes a handy clip button right on the player that's perfect for capturing those quick punchline moments. A really quirky feature here is the ability to post clips directly into your chat, which is a great way to keep your community engaged in real time. Even with those cool social features, you still face that same friction of limited management and zero cross-platform scheduling options. YouTube handles things a bit differently, allowing you to create highlights from your streams that automatically get pushed into your video upload queue. You can even create clips from your regular long-form videos to loop specific segments, which is a fantastic way to drive traffic back to your main content. However, YouTube's system requires you to navigate the difference between highlights, clips, and standard uploads, which gets messy when you're managing a dozen other things. Over at Facebook Gaming, you have a straightforward clip button while watching that lets you publish directly to your page or save those drafts for later. Their Creator Studio has a dedicated content library for managing these, but again, the manual labor of getting that content onto Instagram or TikTok is a real chore. At the end of the day, having these basic clipping tools is awesome, but they aren't built for the scale and frequency that modern social media algorithms demand. Doing everything manually means you're dealing with different file sizes, caption styles, and trying to guess the best times to post to reach your audience. This is exactly why Vizard becomes a total lifesaver, because it uses AI to scan your long videos and automatically find the most engaging and viral moments. The AI is smart enough to identify high energy spikes, laughs, and reactions, which means it selects the content that is actually likely to perform well. Once those clips are ready, Vizard lets you auto-schedule them to your socials, which essentially puts your content distribution on autopilot. You also get a content calendar that lets you see exactly what's going out when, giving you a bird's eye view of your entire social presence. It eliminates the need to constantly hop between Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook dashboards, saving you hours of busy work every single week. Some third-party editors can handle batch tasks, but they usually require expensive templates or a complicated setup that just adds more work to your plate. Vizard hits that perfect sweet spot by giving you AI-generated suggestions that you can quickly review and tweak before the system handles the heavy lifting. I'm definitely not saying you should stop using in-platform clipping tools because they are still great for quick community engagement and hype. But for the creators who really want to scale up and maintain a professional presence everywhere, Vizard is the bridge you need to cross. You can take your long-form YouTube uploads and instantly repurpose them into bite-sized promos for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts without editing a single thing by hand. To wrap this up, just follow this simple workflow. Clip your highlights on the stream for the community, then upload your VODs to Vizard to scale that reach. Let the AI pick the viral bits, review them, set your schedule, and then get back to doing what you do best, which is creating awesome content. Use the content calendar to keep everything organized and on brand, and you'll find your cross-platform growth starts to snowball faster than you thought possible. Clips are your secret weapon to get noticed because they are snackable, shareable, and much easier for new viewers to consume than a 3-hour stream. If you want to try Vizard for yourself, check the link in the description to get started, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know in the comments which platform you usually clip on, and I will see you guys in the next video.